Hey guys, greetings for the day. Today we are going to discuss about what is a list and what are their operations, basic set of operations. Okay, list is an object that contains multiple data items. Okay, so an item can also be called as an element. Okay, the syntax of the list is list name of the list equal to the items that should be mentioned. Okay, those items should be mentioned within the square bracket, like such as item 1, item 2, etc. Okay, each of the items should be separated with a comma. Okay, a list can hold different items of different data type. A list function can convert any sequence type into a list type. You can make use of a print function, okay, built-in function, which is a built-in function to print the items of a list. Okay, so here are certain examples of lists. Okay, so the first list is named as even numbers, which contains only the integers, even integers, and the second list called names, which contains only the items of strings. And the third list is a heterogeneous list where we can find the items of different types. The first item is of string type, and the second is integer type, and the third one is of float type. Okay, so after creating a list, what is next? So what kind of operations we can perform on the list? Okay, the basic set of operations which we can perform on the list include insert, append, remove, pop and delete. Okay, insert operation. So let's discuss one by one. Okay, the first operation is insert operation. Insert operation, as its name says, so it's used to insert an item into the list. Okay, the syntax of insert method is name of the list dot insert of, and which this insert method takes two arguments, and the first argument is the index at which the item to be inserted. Okay, and the second argument is the actual item that is to be inserted in this particular list. Okay, so let's see an example. So there is a list called even numbers which contains 2, 4, 6, 10 already as items. So now we are trying to insert an item called 8 in the index 3. Okay, so that it will be inserted in between 6 and 10. Okay, so at 0th index 2 is there, first index 4 is there, the second index 6 is there already. In the third index 10 is there. We wish to insert this item 8 into the third index. When we try to insert 8 into third index, what will happen to 10? 10 will be automatically moved right. Okay, moved to the index 4. Okay, so let's go to Python tutor and execute the code. Okay, so let me rename let me change the items of the list. Okay, so as I've given in the example, so now here 8 is missing. I just want to insert 8 into its place. Okay, so 8 should be inserted into the location insert. Okay guys, notice when you type a method, okay, so it should have a parenthesis. Okay, then only it will be called as method. Okay, the syntax of insert methods tells that the index to be mentioned. Okay, in third index I just want to insert the item 8. Okay, so after that I just want to see what has happened. Okay, what has happened to the even numbers list. Okay, I'm just typing this. Okay, so let's see, execute. I'm just creating a list, a simple list. So in this list 8 is not there. I'm just inserting 8 into the index 3. That's it. Okay, so I'm just printing this list on the screen. Okay, hope you guys understood. Okay, let's move to the next operation, that is append operation. Okay, using insert operation, you have inserted the element in whatever index you wished. Okay. Okay, if you just want to insert only at the rear end instead of in insert operation, okay, you can just use the append method. Okay, so when you use insert, okay, you need to specify two arguments. Okay, I mean you have to know the exact index at which it should be inserted and the item to be inserted. Okay, so if you don't want to take this risk, you just want to insert the items only at the rear end. Okay, simply use the method known as append. Okay, so I just want to append this value 12 to the even numbers list. Let's see how this code is working. So I have only 4 items in the list. Okay, now I just want to append 12 into the list. Okay, see, watch, 12 has been appended at the rear end of the list. Okay, I'm just printing it. Alright, that's the difference between the insert method and the append method. Okay, so far we have seen how to insert and how to append. Okay, so that's it. That is in overall how to add an item into the list. Okay, now we are going to see how to delete an item. Okay, in order to delete an item, pop method is used. Okay, pop in the sense taking out. Okay, so the syntax of pop method is pop list name of the list dot pop of index value. Okay, so from the index at which you want to delete should be mentioned. Okay, for example, if you want to delete the item 4, the index of item 4 is 1. Okay, so name of the list even numbers dot pop of 1. This is the syntax to delete 4. Okay, so let's go to Python tutor and let's try to remove it. Okay, so I'm just replacing append with pop so I can remove the item 4. Okay, so I'm just removing item 4. Okay, so in the original list 4 is there. So after pop is done, okay, what happened? 4 vanished. Okay, so when 4 vanishes, what happens? 6 goes and occupies 4th place. 10 goes and occupies 6th place. Okay, yeah, so they are moved 1 step left, right? Okay, so this is the new list. Okay, all right. So let's move to the next operation, that is reverse operation. Sorry, remove operation. Remove operation is like which is similar to pop operation. So the only difference between pop and remove is pop requires the index. Okay, we must know the index only then we can remove an item from the list. Okay, so in case if the list is it's a larger size list. Okay, if we don't know the index of the list but we know only the items of the list, okay, so remove function will be useful. Okay, the syntax of remove function, remove method is name of the list dot remove of the value to be removed. Okay, so it's very easy to remember the values than the index values of the items, isn't it? Now let's go back to Python tutor. Let's replace pop method with the remove method. Okay, so I just want to remove 4. Let's remove 4 itself. Okay, so the result of these two operations are same. Okay, so in that case, in pop, when I used pop method, I wanted to remember the index value of 4. Okay, now I just want to remove 4. Okay, so I'm just mentioning 4 directly. Okay, so in the original list 4 is there. Okay, you just notice when this code is executed, 4 is removed. Okay, so the result of pop and remove are same, but the way in which we mention differs. The remove is a flexible method than pop. Okay, Okay, and one more thing. Okay, if you don't want, if you don't specify any index value in the pop method, what will happen is it will automatically pop the last item from the list. Okay, so the last item was, okay, I'll just execute once again for your understanding. Okay, so there are 4 items in the list. Okay, when this code is executed, the last item, okay, we have not mentioned any index value and ends by default. It will remove the last item. Okay, the last operation is delete operation. Delete operation is used to delete an item from the list. Okay, so which is similar to pop. Okay, so delete, pop, remove both perform the deletion operation, but in different perspective, different methods are used. Okay, delete operation syntax is the del is the name keyword and the name of the list. After that, we need to specify the index of the element to be deleted. Okay, so the same keyword del can be used to delete the entire list. Okay, yeah, let's go back to Python tutor and see how to use the keyword delete. Okay, yeah, delete syntax is del space even numbers, comma, index at which index of the element to be removed. Okay, so suppose let us remove 6. Okay, 6 index is 2. Okay, so I'm just removing 2. Alright, so let's see what's happening. Yeah, 6 has been removed, okay, from the list. Okay, so now the list, new list is having only 2, 4 and 10. Alright, okay, so after deleting this, okay, so I'm just deleting the entire list. Okay, even numbers. Okay, so initially I'm just deleting only the even numbers. Okay, only the item which is found at the index 2, that is 6. 6 is deleted when this line is executed after printing the new list. Okay, so I'm just deleting the entire list. Okay, so after deleting the entire list, I'm just trying to print even list, even numbers. Okay, let's see what's happening. Yeah, so this del even numbers of 2 deletes 6. Okay, so this prints the list containing the remaining items. Okay, now when the line 4 is executed, what happens? The entire list is deleted from the memory. Okay, so you see it vanished. Okay, so I'm just going back to the previous line and execute it again. It vanished. Okay, entire list got deleted. Okay, so when we try to print the deleted list, that is even numbers, what is happening? We are getting a name error. Okay, called there is no list called even numbers. Okay, yeah, that's the use of delete method, delete operation. Okay, to delete, del keyword is used. Okay, okay guys, hope you guys understood. Okay, if you have any queries, you can ping me and clarify your doubts. Good day. Thank you.